Okay, guys, so welcome back. So this lesson, we're gonna look at electrical circuit. Okay, or electrical circuits. Let's say add S because there's lots of circuits. Okay, so the reason why we draw electrical circuits is so that it's easy for people to understand what's happening. So, for example, you've learned all these different symbols from the last lesson, right? So, say if you are designing electrical circuit, say it's gonna carry out a specific function. Well, there are different people. It's gonna look at the circuit, say, well, how does this actually work? Right? So if you've designed it and I come, I need to put it into place. So I need to look at the circuit you've drawn. So that is the reason why we have to draw it in certain ways so that it's universal, then everyone can understand. There's slightly difference in terms of how we do it or how they do it in America or maybe Europe. So it's slightly different, but mostly as the same. Okay. All right. So let's have a look. So I've given you guys a few rules and we draw electrical circuit and we have to follow these rules. Okay. All right. So over here I have two questions. So one question is I got this circuit and it's connected. I want to turn it into a original to a scientific like electrical circuit drawing. And the other one is I have an electrical scientific drawing and I want to turn it in terms of how do I actually connect this thing. Okay. All right. So first let's have a look of this one. So this one over here, let's say first thing is I start always with a battery. So, well, there are two batteries at the moment. So I'm going to draw two batteries. And also when you draw battery, the direction of positive is very important. So we see the battery, the little pointy bit is positive. So, okay, I use a black pen. Okay, we're going to draw a positive and a negative. So that is one cell. So however, I don't know how many cells are inside this battery, right? So, okay, so I can draw 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is my battery. And this battery will be connected to another battery because there are two batteries over there. So I'm going to draw a long one, a short one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Long one and short one. Okay, that's the positive side, that's the negative side, right? Okay, that's my battery. So when I draw things, I always draw a rectangular shape. So I'm going to draw a rectangular shape. Obviously, if you have a ruler, you should use a ruler, okay? And now have a look what happened to the circuit. This wire comes to here. So this is going to be the wire that's coming down. Okay, and when it's over here, you can see this is where the thing is separating. So if you have electricity can come from here, and some of the electricity can go through the light bulb, and some is going to come down into this light bulb. So over here is actually splitting. So I'm going to create a split like that. Okay. So don't put a light bulb inside over here, inside the corner. Say what we should draw is it's going to be a light bulb here and then a light bulb at the bottom because it goes into this light bulb and then come into this light bulb over here. The two options. So if you do this, let's say if you draw a light bulb over here, you connect it like that. Then we don't know if this light bulb is on this branch, or is it on this branch because this is at the corner. So you never put anything at the corner because you want to show. So in this way, we've shown that it was a conjunction. So this conjunction is going to be this point over here. And on the conjunction, and then it's going to go into this light bulb, or it could go downward. So we come to the conjunction first, and then separate them, okay? All right, and then this one is going to connect to this light bulb. So it's going to be another light bulb over here. And then let's see this wire joins over here. There's a conjunction here. It's after this light bulb, and then they connect. So after this bulb, they connect. So this is going to be this junction here, over here, okay? And then it's going to go up over here. And then we have to figure out, well, what is this thing, right? So we can tell what this thing is. There are two ways of telling. One is this one is inside the wire. If inside the wire, it will be an ammeter because voltmeter need to be parallel to the device you're measuring. Okay, so this must be an ammeter. And the other way of telling it is by looking at the notes I gave you guys the other day. So when it's ammeter, the positive need to connect to the top one. Okay, So let's have a look. That's the top one being connected. Yes, that is going to be an ammeter. So still, I can't put it at the corner. So I'm going to make it like that. And then put the ammeter over here. Like that. You can put the ammeter over here. So that's the same thing because the wire comes connected to the ammeter and then goes to the battery. And that's okay as well. So now I've successfully created an electrical circuit according to my diagram I have over here. Okay. All right. So now next step. Next step is I want to turn this one. We have a diagram. I wanted to connect it into this thing over here. Okay. So how do I do that? First, the thing comes from the battery. I'll go to the positive side. Positive side, the wire is coming out. And let's have a look. It's connecting to this one bulb and then it's separated into the other bulb. And then it's separating again. Basically, this junction is separating 3 times, okay? All right, so what I'll do is I'll connect it to a light bulb here. Coming, say that's connected to, let's say, this light bulb. And I need to connect to another light bulb from the same side. Okay, so I don't go to over there. So I'm connecting it from the same side. So the battery can go into here or go into here. Okay, all right. And then let's ignore the voltmeter here because I can add the voltmeter later. So now once it passes through these 2 light bulbs, they're going to meet together and go to the negative side. Okay, let's say now they're meeting together and then connecting to the negative side over here. Okay, obviously you can have this one connecting to the negative side as well. Okay, from here, it doesn't matter where you connect it from. Okay, all right. And then the last one is over here. So this voltmeter it crossed across the light. So it has to cross the light from here. Coming. That's a crossing. Okay. So once this is crossing, we have to figure out, okay, so is it which one is it connecting? So then we're gonna use what we've learned about the voltmeter from the last page over here. The voltmeter, when you use it as a voltmeter, the positive side need to connect to the middle one. Okay. So positive side, this is the positive side, coming here, here, and coming here. That's positive side, need to go to the middle one over here. And then the negative side, that's the negative side, is connected to the COM, which is the bottom one, COM here. So now, in this way, I've successfully converted a diagram into what's actually happening. So if you see the diagram like this, then this is what you do, okay? And then if you see a diagram like this, you gotta be drawing this, okay? All right, there are heaps of questions in your book, and I have a try of them. Some of them might even be incorrect, because sometimes they might have used the battery connected somehow into the bottom one, into the COM one. If you see that's the case, just change that, okay? Or if you're not too sure, take a picture and send it to me, and I can check it for you. So, okay, and good luck. I'll see you guys in the next video.